Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu. I'm from Bangalore. I've been doing yoga for more than 2 years now. But to make my yoga more structured and to get into teacher training, I joined Buddhi Yoga Institute in starting of May 2020, and I completed my 100 hours course by end of June. And while this process, I saw few tremendous changes in me, like increase in energy level, positivity, right, enthusiasm. Apart from that, my productivity in my work also increased. I'm a corporate person, so there was increase in my productivity and the schedule. Right, I joined early morning 5 a.m. classes, so there was proper schedule for me throughout the day, eating on time, getting things done on time, which I liked a lot. So I again joined 200 hours course with Bodhi to maintain that schedule and the rhythm. And in terms of physical health, when I talk about the changes have been very good for personally for me, like hair problems, right, skin problem. My skin lightens up after doing yoga. So I think apart from that, the techniques and all those things taught by Buddhi Yoga Institute, they're very good in terms of alignment, asanas, postures, breathing techniques. They're too good. So thank you, Buddhi.